Ever filled up your tank and wondered why it seems to vanish so quickly? Hey everyone, David here from AutoMaster, and today I'm going to show you why the average driver is literally pouring 30% of their fuel budget down the drain. This isn't just about saving a few bucks. The same issues draining your wallet are also shortening your engine's life and hurting performance. After fixing these exact problems for 20 years, I'm sharing everything I know. The fuel efficiency crisis. Let's put this in perspective. The average driver spends about $2,000 annually on fuel. If you're wasting 30% through inefficiencies, that's $600 gone every year. Over 10 years, you've basically bought another car with that wasted money. But this isn't just about money. These inefficiencies put extra strain on components, accelerate wear and tear, and increase emissions. It's a lose-lose-lose situation. The good news? Most fuel efficiency problems can be fixed with proper diagnosis and maintenance. Let me show you exactly what's happening under your hood. The engine efficiency chain. Think of your engine as a team where everyone needs to work perfectly together. When one player is off their game, the whole system suffers. 1. Fuel delivery system. Let's start with your fuel injectors. These precision devices spray a fine mist of fuel into your engine's combustion chambers. When they're dirty or clogged, that perfect mist becomes more like a garden hose with your thumb over it, inconsistent and inefficient. I see this in my shop every week. Vehicles running on injectors that haven't been cleaned in 60,000 miles. It's like trying to breathe through a straw filled with dirt. 2. Ignition components. Next up are your spark plugs. These create the precise spark that ignites your fuel. When they're worn, that spark becomes weak and inconsistent. Look at this difference in combustion quality. This is what's happening in your engine hundreds of times per minute. A weak spark means wasted fuel and reduced power. 3. Oxygen and air management. Your engine's computer relies on oxygen sensors to calculate the perfect fuel mixture. When these sensors degrade, and they all do eventually, your engine runs either too rich, wasting fuel, or too lean, risking damage. And don't forget your air filter. An engine needs approximately 14 parts air to 1 part fuel for optimal combustion. Restrict that airflow with a clogged filter, and your engine compensates by using more fuel. 4th, engine load factors. Even components that seem unrelated to fuel efficiency can have massive impacts. Dragging brakes, for example, force your engine to work harder, consuming more fuel to maintain speed. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance by up to 20%. That's like constantly driving with your parking brakes slightly engaged. Before I show you the diagnostic methods I use in my shop, take a second to hit subscribe and that notification bell. I post new content every week to help you save money and keep your vehicle running perfectly. Drop a comment with your current MPG, and I'll try to suggest some improvements. Diagnostic methods. 1. Fuel pressure testing. Now let's talk diagnosis. A fuel pressure test can instantly reveal pump or regulator issues. You're looking for steady pressure that matches your vehicle's specifications, typically between 35 to 65 psi, depending on your model. When pressure fluctuates or reads consistently low, your engine compensates by keeping injectors open longer, wasting fuel and reducing power. 2. Injector pulse testing. A proper scan tool can monitor injector pulse width, how long each injector stays open. Inconsistencies here point to electrical problems or clogged injectors. See these uneven patterns? That's an engine crying for help, and your fuel economy is suffering as a result. 3. Vacuum testing. Vacuum testing reveals air leaks that throw off your fuel mixture. A healthy engine maintains steady vacuum at idle. These fluctuations indicate leaks that are forcing your engine to compensate with more fuel than necessary. 4. Oxygen sensor analysis. Modern vehicles have multiple oxygen sensors. By analyzing their voltage readings, we can spot degradation before it seriously impacts fuel economy. A slow-responding sensor like this one can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 15%, and you'd never feel it in normal driving. 5. Road load testing. Sometimes you need to get the vehicle moving to diagnose resistance issues. Abnormal deceleration rates often indicate dragging brakes or bearing problems that silently drain your fuel tank. DIY Maintenance Solutions 1. Fuel System Cleaning. Now for solutions you can implement today. Quality fuel system cleaners can remove light carbon deposits from injectors. Look for products containing PEA, polyethyramine, for best results. For heavily clogged systems, consider a professional cleaning every 30,000 miles. The difference can be dramatic. I've seen MPG improvements of 10 to 15% after thorough cleaning. 2. Regular filter. Replacement air and fuel filters are simple replacements that pay dividends. Check your air filter by holding it up to a light source. If you can't see light passing through, it's time for a change. Most vehicles can have a new air filter installed in under 5 minutes with basic tools. This $15 part can save hundreds in fuel costs over its lifespan. 3. Tire pressure management. Check your tire pressure monthly and before long trips. The correct pressure is listed on the driver's door jamb, not on the tire itself. Proper inflation not only improves fuel economy, but extends tire life and improves handling. It's the definition of a win-win-win scenario. 4. Maintenance schedule compliance. Your vehicle's maintenance schedule isn't a suggestion. It's science-based preventive care. Following it religiously is the single best way to maintain fuel efficiency over time. Pay special attention to these often overlooked services that directly impact fuel economy: transmission service, cooling system maintenance, and brake inspections. 5. Driving habit adjustments. Finally, how you drive matters enormously. Aggressive acceleration can use up to 60% more fuel. Maintaining steady speeds and anticipating stops can improve economy by up to 20%. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Also, check the description for links to the diagnostic tools and products I recommend. The fuel efficiency battle is fought on multiple fronts: mechanical condition, proper maintenance, and driving habits. Small improvements in each area compound into significant savings. Remember, wasted fuel isn't just about money. It's extra wear on your engine and unnecessary emissions. Taking control of your vehicle's efficiency is a win for your wallet, your vehicle's longevity, and the environment. Have questions about your specific vehicle? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, drive efficiently.